step in an equation is you look at the equation and you see if there are any parentheses. And in this equation there are. So the first thing you do is you take the negative 5 here and you multiply it by both numbers over here. So it's negative 5 times x, and you bring this one down, so it's 7x because you didn't do anything there. So it's negative 5 times x, which is negative 5x, and negative 5 times negative 2, which is positive 10. And then over here, and you have another one over here, so you have 4 times 1, which is 4, times, 4 times negative 4x, which is negative 16x plus 7x, because you didn't do anything to that. So the next thing you have to do for step 2 is combine like terms. So on this side you have negative 7x and negative 5x and plus 10. Since you have two x's and 10, you can't combine variables with nothing that has a number that doesn't have a variable. And same on this side. So for this side you'd have negative 7x minus 5x, which would be negative 12x plus 10. And then over here you'd have negative 16x plus 7x, which would be 4 minus 9x. The next step you have to do, step 3, is you have to get both of the x's on one side of the equation and both of the non-variable numbers on the other side. So what you do is you minus 10 from this side because this is positive, so you have to get it out of this side and over here. So you minus 10 over here because you did that, you minus 10 over here, so you have to do the same on both sides. So you end up with negative 12x over here, and you have negative 10 plus 4 minus 9x. And then over here, since you need this number over here, you add 9x because it is a negative, so you want to get it to 0 over here, and you have to do the same thing over here. So you end up with negative 12x plus 9x equals negative 10 plus 4. For the next step, you got to combine like terms. Since you have like terms over here and like terms over here, this turns into negative 12x plus 9x, which would be negative 3x equals negative 10x plus 4, or negative 10 plus 4, which would be negative 6. And then for the final step, you have to get x by itself, so you divide it by negative 3, because this right here is multiplication. If you have a number and a variable that aren't separated by anything else, then it's the number times the variable. So you have to divide to get just the variable, because division is the opposite of multiplication. So over here you have x, and then over here you have to do the same thing that you did on this side, and you have 2, and that's your answer.